Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I have the chicken wire elements. Here's one right here. And now you can either put it on this way, or, well, you can take them off and it goes on just like chicken wire. How I would do it was I'd lay down a thing of multi-purpose liquid glue on your silicone pad and then just pat this down and pick it up with your pick-me-up, take a pick tool and lay it down. But I want to show you something before I take this all off. I want to show you how you can make this, antique it, make it look darker instead of all just like regular chicken wire. You're just going to take your sponge. I've got early espresso here if you want to use Cajun craze. It'd be good. It'd make it look like it's somewhat rusted. And you just want to, you can do it with a sponge or you can do it with a sponge dauber. Oh, and look at the pretty pattern it leaves also. But this just adds it with a little, you can see that. Just adds a little bit of distressing antiquing to it. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to pull this off. Isn't this beautiful? And there you have it. And then you can just lay it on your card front. You can, I really wish you could see, it's really hard to see that different coloring on there. But you can just lay it there. Put some multi-purpose liquid glue on your silicone mat and lay this on there, and then just pick it up and lay it on there. Isn't that great? Yeah. So anyhow, follow me on Facebook or follow me on YouTube, and all the information about this is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.